We have just landed in Treviso and we are going to show you how to reach Venice. Do not make the mistake of landing in Treviso without a plan. Here is how to get from the airport to the canals of Venice. We bought our 3-day transport pass and an airport transfer bus ticket from the ATVO website. Each ticket bundle cost us €63 per person. The ticket itself comes with instructions to locate a ticket machine at the airport arrivals, and then we need to convert our digital ticket to a physical one by inputting the ticket numbers. Now, when we arrived, we could not locate this machine, so we attempted to ask at the ticket booth. While we were waiting, an airport person directed us to the bus outside. This lady just checked our digital ticket and they told us to simply get on this bus. In hindsight, I think if we kept waiting in line at the ticket booth, they would have given us our physical tickets immediately. So at this point, we weren't really sure that we're on the right bus and we have validated our tickets correctly. Anyway, this still worked out for us. The bus ride was scheduled to take about 70 minutes, but it only took like 40 minutes, so that's a win. Perhaps because it was at night with no traffic. When we arrived at the Piazzale Roma bus station, in a very foggy Venice, we decided to get the actual physical ticket from one of the machines, which were very easy to find this time. Make sure to keep this ticket safe, as you will be using it every time you need to get on a vaporetto, or also for the bus ride back to the airport at the end of the trip, so don't lose it. The last part of the transfer to reach actual Venice is to get a vaporetto from Piazzale Roma to central Venice, of course, depending where your accommodation is located. The vaporetti are quite convenient to use around Venice. In our case, we found our 3-day ticket to be very worth it, so we recommend that you check them out online. If you have watched till the end, I'm assuming that you are also planning your trip to Venice. So why don't you also watch out for our Venice videos on our channel? Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. You have to come in the morning, it's too foggy.
Yeah, it's foggy, I can barely see Elaine.
To the hotel.
Yeah. Get something to eat. Now we start fresh in the morning.